Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google AdSense account in 2026. So if you want to earn money from YouTube, websites, or blogs, this is the account you'll need to receive payments from Google. First, open your browser and go to the Google AdSense website. Then click the Get Started button. Now sign in using your Google account. It's usually best to use the same account connected to your YouTube channel or website. Next, enter your website URL if you have one. If you're using AdSense for YouTube, you may be redirected later through YouTube Studio. Now select your country or region carefully because this affects payment settings and account verification. Read the AdSense terms and conditions, then check the agreement box and continue. Next, add your real name, address, and payment details. This information must match your legal documents. Google may ask you to verify your identity or address before payments can be activated. If you're monetizing YouTube, go to YouTube Studio and connect your AdSense account through the monetization section. After setup, Google reviews your account. Approval can take a few days depending on your setup and content. And always use accurate information because incorrect details can delay payments or account approval. So that's how to create a Google AdSense account in 2026. Once approved, you'll be ready to receive earnings from YouTube or other Google monetization programs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.